My name's Alex, and I just passed my driving test with Alan for the All Florida Safety Institute Driving School. When I first started driving, I was really nervous, and I didn't know what I was gonna do. I thought I was gonna be terrible. I thought the instructor was gonna be super mean. But I want to let you know, Alan is so friendly, and driving with him was such a good experience because he was so patient with me. He was so nice. You know, he instructed me what I needed to do, how I could improve. And it really was just an overall such a good experience. It really helped me kind of shape, my confidence in driving and really learn how to, drive. And I think that anyone, if you are looking to drive and you're looking to get better, then going to Alan or going to All Florida Safety Institute, that's such a good idea because they're going to be patient with you and they're going to make sure that you get what you need to be able to drive safely and make sure that you're comfortable driving on the road. It's just such a good experience. It was so nice because driving with my parents, sometimes they're impatient or they'll get angry and they do stuff they don't even think about, and they can't teach me, stuff that Alan can think about. It's his job, he does it all the time. So it's really, if you want to learn stuff that you don't even think you could learn, it's such a good option to just, go with the school. It's such a good thing to do.